Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Friends, today let us look into the test planning, which is a second phase in the STLC. Friends, if you did not watch the videos regarding the test planning, previous videos or STLC introduction, please watch the videos. The video links are available in the iCard section so that you can get a clear understanding about the STLC and test plan. Friends, today we are going to gain knowledge about the seventh attribute, that is mitigation. The mitigation plan is also called as backup plan. In the previous attribute, that is risk, we have listed out some of the parameters which reduce the 100% quality of the product, our testing results. So in the mitigation plan, we are proposing a plan as a procedure to reduce the risk percentage to zero and to promote the 100% quality of the application. Like in the risk factors, we had observed some of the employees are left out the company or move out the companies. So if a tester move out the company, whatever the module assigned to him will be on hold. To overcome this, in the mitigation plan, we are proposing to give KT about all the modules to all the testers. So one tester stepped out of the company, remaining tester can take that module and test and go ahead with the testing process. If using is not available or is getting upgraded, we should have KT about the next updated version. For example, the Teams is getting upgraded to Microsoft 365. So we should have KT about the new version of the product. This is how we have to maintain our mitigation plan to overcome all the factors which reduce our 100% quality of the product. Friends, next attribute is roles and responsibilities. In this attribute, we are clearly mentioning the roles and responsibilities of each and every employee for each and every designation. For a tester, he had to test all the modules, whatever the module was assigned to him. Maybe he had to involve in testing, or maybe he had to involve in the integration testing. A fixed responsibilities were assigned to him for a particular role. For example, the employee is a senior test engineer, had to write the test cases. If there is a test manager, his responsibility is to review the test cases. A fixed responsibilities were assigned to each and every employee, to each and every role, and to each and every responsibilities was assigned to each and every role, so that the responsibilities will not be overlapped, or someone should not interfere and someone should not say this is not my responsibilities. Friends, next attribute is scheduling. In this attribute, we have to clearly mention at what date we are start preparing the test cases, at what date we are going to complete it, at what date we are going to start reviewing the test cases, at what date we are going to complete that review process, in how many days we are taking to write the test cases, how many days we are taking to review the test cases, how many days we are involved in testing for each and module, how many days we will do sign testing, how many days we will do smoke testing, how many days we will do integration testing, at what date we start system testing, what date we have to complete the system testing, at what date we are going to raise a test report. This each and every scheduling has to be clearly. Friends, to know further about the remaining 6 attributes, please subscribe to our channel so that we can get. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.